Control, car 1 is left and clear with 16 passengers, 1-6.
16 passengers, 1-6. Both cars commencing flight.
How was the hike? Good? Yeah. I heard it's quite, yeah, I haven't done it yet, but I heard it. Yeah.
So we're going back down now.
Hi. You'll sleep well tonight. Want a picture?
So we had a nice little visit up on the mountain here called Whistler Mountain, and if you didn't get that part from the trip up, they call it Whistler Mountain because they have these marmots, yes. They have marmots that whistle, and I thought I heard a couple of them whistling, but the big prize for me was the mountain goat. And the mountain goat was walking right towards me, and I got a video of it. And we're going down. Very nice.
It was a little disappointing, I think, because to me, anyways, I expected to see a lot more glacier, like
yeah,
the icy stuff.
I think we have to go down the Icefield Parkway to the other glacier. This was the tram. I thought there was a glacier up here, but if we want, there is glacier further down the road. We can stop tomorrow for a rest and have a look. What do you think?
Play it by ear.
Yeah, by ear. See if we still
see how late you sleep in.
See how what?
Late you sleep in.
How late I sleep in. So blam me, why don't you? This is really cool. When we meet the one that's coming up, it's really cool. I got video of meeting the other one when we were going up. Well, you'll see what I mean. This is going to be cool. No. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Wow, 呢一個人，哦，仲喺度 yeah.
This tower is really cool too.
Yeah. We are love. Yeah. Are you? Yeah. A little. Well, here's the tower, Gareth. We're gonna feel drop in our stomach.
Ooh.
This is great. I love the sound effects on this truck. This is wonderful. Very nice. There's the whole town and there's the lakes.
Part? Yeah.
Very nice.
Way to go, yeah, when it's trail.
73. Hey Renee, are you able to meet Ryan in the ops office?
Yeah. Yep, I see it right there. We're heading right for it. We're going to go right over it. Jasper, where? Tower.
Well, we don't spend a whole day in cars because then you kind of start feeling a little it gets a little crazy and spend too much time in a car. But yeah, we don't do more than like 2 hours at a time. It's quite sweet. Yeah. Our schedule? We start, well, we're getting picked up in town at like 8:30, and we're getting dropped off probably around 8. Yeah. They're pretty long days.
There's the van right there.
30, 14-hour days.
Pretty quiet around here today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we made it.
Was there any doubt?
Hmm?
Was there a doubt?
It's a little few bumps here.
Fat quick. Fat quick.